Hi guys, it's Jen. Late again for my Monday video, but this I'll post tonight. I'm gonna post it tonight. I did take a video yesterday, but I ended up I took like a 20-minute video, ended up running out of room on my phone 5 minutes in. Had no idea, just kept going. Made some of these. It was great. Yeah. So anyway, I think I'm set up now. My darling husband has set me up a little better. Yeah, so I think I'm good. So what I'm gonna make today, or this evening, I guess it is some little really super fast, super easy decorated paper clips made with felt stickers. And these are some I've made. In the back, I just kind of jazzed them up. Look, I can show you here. Little felt stickers. And I got these felt stickers at Michael's. I believe it was in the kids section. I think that's their kids creatology. I think that's like their kids line of stuff. So yeah, these ones are like little food stickers, which I'm doing a junk food journal. So yeah, I thought these would be excellent. So I made some little paper clips to tuck into pages. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really super easy. You can either use a glue gun. I got my glue gun here. Or if you're doing it with kids, it's great craft for kids, then use, I say, Aleene's tacky glue. Yeah, like a good tacky glue should work great, but just be careful. It will take longer to dry. So you'll have to wait in between steps for it to dry. Okay, so these are stickers, and they're just felt, soft felt, and then they have a little thingy printed on, a little picture. So all we do, oh, and with these ones, if you happen to get shapes that are symmetrical, so the same, you divide it in half, it's the same on both sides, like this, you can put them back to back. So this has got a felt sticker on both sides. But now with these ones are not symmetrical. Like, see, there's little pieces that stick out. It's not even. So I just put some scrap paper and just jazzed it up with some buttons and some rhinestones and some glitter glue. Okay, so yeah, you'll need some felt stickers and glue of your choice and just some little paper scraps. I use cardstock. It's like just the thin Michael's cardstock, like the recollection stuff. But I mean, you can use what you want. I probably wouldn't use just regular paper. It needs to be like a little bit of, give it a little bit of strength. Yeah. And then paper clips, of course. I have my little cool assortment of paper clips here. And whatever adornments you want. I have some buttons that I pull out of button jars. I have all my glitter glues. And I also have a container of rhinestones and bling and pearls and things like that. So yeah. Something to snazz up the back. Now, you don't even need to use that stuff. If you want, you can, your kids can color this. You can leave it plain, or your kids can color them, or, like this one I kind of went around with a glittery Posca marker, paint pen. So, yeah. All right, so what we do. I'm going to show you. All we do is take the sticker off. There we go. No, toss it over there. Now, pick a paper clip. This one I think I'm going to do a red and white stripe. So you want your paper clip to be with the two loops facing down. So I just put it there, centered in my burger, centered at the bottom with the, usually I just do the little cut off parts just at the bottom of the burger. All right, perfect. So then I want a little bit of paper. I'm just going to cut a little bit off here. All right, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue to make sure to hold this paper clip in well. But the sticky is actually pretty good, so I think it'll stick to the paper fine. Now, when you place your paper, you want it flush with the bottom edge of the sticker where it meets the paper clip. So, let's see if I can get that. Yeah. Okay. Now, mine's not even. You can see the sticker stuck out a little bit. Oh, no, there it is. It's good. Okay. There. So, see, it's just right there. flush with the bottom of the sticker. All right, and then all you do, squish it together good. Then you just trim around your sticker. Or if you don't want a fussy cut, I know some people hate fussy cutting. I live for fussy cutting, love fussy cutting. I do it for relaxation, no joke. My husband was trying to sell me on a Cricut, and that was like one of his, part of his spiel. Like, you'd never have to fussy cut again. And I'm like, joke's on you. I love fussy cutting. I don't want no Cricut. Anyway. So we just cut around. But yeah, you can, if you want to make just generic shapes, like make your cardstock, a circle or whatever, you can do that as well. I do recommend making it at least the size of your sticker. Like, you don't want to just put a little bit to cover the paper clip, because then the sticker itself would be exposed, and you don't want sticky exposed because then it'll be all full of dust, and in my case, cat hair. I don't want cat hair on my journal embellishments. There, so there's the burger. How cute is that, right? Cute burger. Woo! And then to decorate the back, yeah, let's see. We'll put a little, what did I put on the other one? Okay, I put buttons and a little jewel. So I'll put something else. I'll still put a little button. I love buttons. Okay, a little dot of glue. Be careful, glue is hot. If you're doing this with a Lean's Tacky Glue, you're going to want to leave it to dry once you put the backing on here. Pick the little glue booger off. Maybe this one will go inside that one. No, it's too big. Okay. Now I'll pick let's see, a couple little pearls maybe. Do I have a bunny one? Let us see. I have all these rhinestones and bling that I barely ever use. Oh, I'll use this. Aren't these beautiful? These are so pretty. They're very rainbow-y. Oh yeah, look at that. The glue stayed on the plastic. I was just gonna say, I don't really trust the glue on these rhinestones. Rhinestones and cabs and things. I don't trust the glue, so I always just put a little dot of glue. There. Now, do a little blue. Okay, wait, blue. Maybe a yellow. And maybe another blue. Okay. So what I'll do with that is just put a little line there. My husband did not disable messages. So I hope that that doesn't show up on the video. Although I'm sure you heard the ding. Sorry about that. I'm using his phone this evening, and I'm used to my phone. Like, I put it in airplane mode and turn the ringer off and all that stuff, right? But his phone, I don't know how to use it all. Okay. There. Just make it all cute. And there we go. Yeah, and if you want to, you can, decorate around, like I said, like these ones. Decorate around with some glitter glue, or, like, see that one I did buttons. Couple little cabs and glitter glue. This one I did a couple buttons and you can't see metallic. Yeah, okay. Metallic Posca paint pen. Oh, look, I use green and yellow buttons. Ooh, to match my hot dog. And then this one I did a button, a rhinestone, and a little bit of glitter glue around. So yeah, these are super easy. Like I said, you can do them with kids, super, super easy. And these felt stickers, like I'm not sure if you can get them other places, but I know the ones at Michael's, like they have a good selection of different, you know, subjects or whatever, different types of stickers. So yeah, give this a try. And actually, I'll show you here what it's going to look like. This is my junk food junk journal, which I'm done the journal itself, but right now I am stuffing it with all kinds of like pockets and tags and all that. But when it's ready, when it's done, I'll go through and see. I'll have little, look at that. That is so cool. I am so tickled with that. Have that sticking out the top. Right now I got all these post-its to show the pages I don't have done, but yeah. Isn't that adorable? That is so cute. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and if you try this video, let me know. Share a picture. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and hit the, if you do subscribe, hit the little bell button. That way YouTube will notify you when I have a new video posted. Those of you who have subscribed, thank you so much. I love you all. That's awesome. That just makes my day. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and take care. Bye-bye.